Hello, dear traders! You are watching latest economic news presented to you by InstaForex News Team and me, Kate Nedachina. Lately, the UX statistical data appears below forecasts. The budget deficit is persistently advancing, and numerous experts consider that this can become the reason for a downgrading of the highest rating, which the country now has. As the Office for National Statistics informed in December, the budget deficit of the United Kingdom amounted to £15.4 billion, mismatching the economist's predictions of £15.2 billion. In 2011, the indicator was equal to £40.8 billion. At the same time, the public spendings increased by 5.4% and the income advanced by mere 3.6%. In late 2012, George Osborne, the Chancellor of the Exchequer, confirmed that the government is to put more efforts to overcome the financial difficulties, and this can take longer than expected by the authorities' term. After this speech, the leading rating agencies, Standard & Poor's, Fitch and Moody's, warned that Great Britain can as well lose its AAA credit rating in future. All agencies point to the negative UK rating forecast. It was Forex News and me, Kate Nedachina. Have a nice day.